In 2016, we were hit with a lot of scab and vomitoxin in our durum. In my instance, it was probably 2/3 of my crop, overall crop, had some level of vomitoxin in it. And in order for me to market that grain, I needed to be able to clean that to get the vomitoxin levels down to acceptable ratios. I've cleaned tens of thousands of bushels of durum, all become marketable durum at acceptable levels, and the machine just, it works wonderful to get vomitoxin out. In the situation I had with tens of thousands of bushels of durum that needed to be cleaned, the return was almost instantaneous. The first 50,000 bushel, I'm sure it more than paid for itself. I have no doubt in my mind. I just had to get the durum through the cleaner. It's an invaluable tool. I couldn't have marketed that grain without it. Not only in my instance did it take the vom out, it also made the grade better. 25, 50 cents, 75 cents more in value for the end crop per bushel. So it was well worth the investment. It was a no-brainer. I used it last year to clean some peas that were when I combined them, were too weedy. It just run them through the cleaner. It basically eliminates the weeds. It'll be used in my operation other than just for vomitoxin or for cleaning seed. It just, if you want to get weeds out of a sample, it does a good job of doing that. We cleaned peas last year without the scalper, and it did pretty good on the peas, and it does pretty good on durum. I think there's some tweaking we have to do, but it's doing a good job. So that eliminates that process that I've always hired out in the past to clean all my seed. And I guess in farming, to be in control of the operations you need to be in control of when you have time to do them, it's invaluable.